Hi, welcome to our free travel portal, your one-stop destination for all your travel needs. Today we are showing you how to book tickets, hotels and activities through our portal with easy steps. Head to our website Travel Free Travels, click Flight tab. Here you have the option of one-way ticket, round-trip ticket and multi-cities. So for an example, we'll just search with the one-way tickets. So put your city, Kathmandu. So from where you're flying and to the destination where you're going. So from Kathmandu to Bangkok. Select your dates as per your requirement, and then you can enter the passengers, number of passengers traveling. So if there is two adults, you can just select two adults. If there is child, you can select one child. You can select one child. If there is infant, you can select infant. So right now we'll go for a one packs and we'll apply this. Lastly, we'll select the nationality. We'll search. So you can browse through flight available option. Now, whichever the flight timing or period you were satisfied, you can just let's say I want to book this flight during the flight, so I'll go with book now. I click book now, or let's say if you want to see the fare, this fare is quite expensive, so I want to see for the next day if there is any cheaper fare available. So I'll click next. So next day is 27,000. Again, I'll see. I'll go for another next day. With the fare is set. So I'll book this now. Book now. Another one more thing you can do is you can modify your search by this page. So let's say you have search for Kathmandu Bangkok. Now you want to search for Kathmandu Dubai. So select Dubai, your date, university date. So let's just 28. You can advise your passenger name, and lastly you select the nationality. So this is the new that our new search that we want to switch the country. So we want to search for Dubai. So here the updated search here. Once we did the modification of the country instead of the city, instead of Bangkok, we have put Dubai. So now we are getting all the details for Dubai flight. So I want to book this Nepal Airlines flight. So I'll go to book now and click here. So here there is three options that how you can sign in and book online. Firstly, you can log in with your Facebook. Then you also log in with your Google. Or if you want to try manually, you can manually put your email ID. put your number. You can book this guest. So next page, you need to put all your details like your name, date of birth, passport, expiry, passport number, expiry. So let's say date of birth, enter the passport number, issuing country, Nepal, date of expiry, if you have any promo code you can just put it here and you can apply for that, but if you don't have a promo code just leave this as it is. And we have two option of payment, one is phone pay and one is connect ips. So whichever the payment gateway you want to pay you can just select accordingly. So in this case I'll select phone pay and I'll agree with the terms and condition and continue. So this is the details you will get once you continue the detail. So you'll check everything, your passport number, your name. The name should be as it is as in the passport, your date of birth. So every information should be correct in this one. So once you check everything and then you continue. So you'll move to our payment gateway, that's PhonePay, and you'll have this option of QR. So you will scan it and you will make the payment. So this is how you can make the flight booking from our portal. We hope this guide help you book your next travel experience with easy steps. If you have any questions or need assistance, our customer support team is here to help you. Thank you for choosing our portal and happy travels. Thank you.